Hi my loves and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this very nice, very like summerish, like dramatic-ish type of makeup look. This is going to be the last part of my EVH series. If you guys have not checked it out, it's a playlist that I created. I'll have it linked right here for you guys. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Okay, so as I was saying, I am pressing the brown onto the eyelids, onto the eyeliner to intensify and kind of create that smoke that we want, right? Because we want it to be smoky. So I'm just lightly tapping, light pressure when I get to the ends, and then I'm gonna start smoking, going back and forth, back and forth. Okay, so now I feel like I want to have a little bit of black, like as close to the lash line as possible. So I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow for that. And I'm gonna take one by, actually, you know what? I'm gonna take my feline eyeliner by MAC. So I'm gonna try to get as close to the lash line as possible. And then I'm gonna drag it out a little bit. But not as far as we carry the brown, right? Now I'm gonna take a different, a clean pencil brush to blend that black out. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm going in with a clean Q-tip just to sharpen up this edge right here. So now we're just going to continue with the process of blending, going between the black and the brown, until we get the pigmentation in the look that we want. So now I'm going over with the brown eyeshadow again. So I'm gonna take, I'm gonna go in with a blending brush, and I'm actually gonna take this shade right here that's called Edges. It's a little more warm, and I'm gonna put that right against the brown eyeliner. If I sound stuffy, I apologize. I do have a flu. None of COVID, I got my second shot on Friday. But yeah, I just a little bit under the weather. So going over that, the edge of that line, and also like into the crease to get into the crease a little bit. Going back in to blend this in a corner right here. I'm going back in with that translucent powder, just to soften that blend on the inner part of the eyes. Okay, so for the lid color, I actually went over my eye lids right here with just a little more of the eyeshadow primer because I feel like it got lost in the blending and stuff, and I really wanted the lid color to stand out. So for the lid color, I'm gonna take first Dollars and it's this really pretty green shade right here. So I'm gonna pop that on the lid first, and I'm gonna just take any flat eyeshadow brush. It looks green in the pad, but it's coming up a little more gold on my eyes. So I'm not taking it all the way in, and I'm kind of creating like a cut crease, like a soft one. And I'm going very lightly over that eyeliner that we created as well, because I still want it to look a little bit shimmery, but I still want that like boldness of the black and the brown eyeliner. Of course the battery is low. Okay, so we have Dollars on the lid, and now I'm gonna go in with some trust issues. So this one right here, it looks white in the pan, but it is like greenish. So I'm gonna go over with that color. It's a given. Not quite. I feel like that's it for the eyes. So let me zoom that out so we can get started on skin. So to prime my skin today, I'm gonna go in with this one from Cover FX, and this is the EUQUIPMENT primer. And for my foundation today, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Soft Matte, and I have mine in the shade Barcelona Medium 4. But first I need to color correct a little bit. So to do that, I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna take this one from MAC, and I'm just gonna go in with Burnt Coral. Oh, you know, this palette crusty, but I'm still gonna show you. So it's this shade right here, this orange shade. And I'm just gonna go over these marks right here. And now I'm gonna contour, and to contour I'm gonna use my RCME. I'm gonna take the darkest shade in here. The shade right here is SH8, and I'm gonna take the same foundation brush. I feel like I need a little more definition. So, I guess I'll just put the powder out now. So for concealer today, I'm gonna go in with this one from Makeup Forever. This is their Matte Velvet Skin, and I have mine in the shade 4.1. Oh, I thought this would have been more like a highlight shade, but it's not. That sucks. Okay, so I'll just do it right here. I'm gonna take this Real Techniques satin brush to blend that out. Now I'm gonna go in with my Jouer in the shade Creme Brulee. Okay, so to set under my eyes today, I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass. What's this? Translucent setting powder. That powder is really very smooth. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna go with a big powder brush and just push that in. And now I'm gonna go with my Patrick Star to the crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna bronze and I'm gonna go in with my Patrick Star She's Sculpted. I'm gonna go in with the bronze shade from here. And I'm gonna take the same fluffy brush. I feel like I want to be a little more bronze, so I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. palette, and this is the Let's e.l.f. and Do It, their collaboration with Jen Atkin. And I'm gonna take the bronzer shade and just go over for a lot more color. Highlighter, and this is from Makeup by Mario's line by Mario, and it's their Master Crystal Reflector, and it's in the shade Bronzite. I think I want to spray my face with before I put this on. So to set, I'm gonna go in with my Rare Beauty Always an Optimist 4-in-1 mist. So I'm gonna take a different brush, a clean brush, sorry, and this is the same setting brush by Ring Techniques. Oh, it's nice, but it's not what I wanted. Okay. Scratch that. I'm just gonna take my Laura Mercier baked powder into one down the bridge of my nose. Okay, and let me go make myself look presentable, and I'll be right back to do lips. Okay, my loves, so we're back to do lips, and I'm first gonna go in with this lip pencil by Juvia's Place. This is in their Luxe. This is their Luxe liner in the shade So Rare. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this this Stay Matte ink, this Super Stay Matte ink liquid lipstick from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Amazonian. This is not the one I want. This is the one I want. Try Genius. I want it to be a little more pink, so I am gonna go in with okay, this one I like. This is Rimmel Stay Glossy in Blush and Belgraves, and I think that brings us to the end of this look, you guys. I forgot to stick lashes, so I did it off camera, and these are just my favorite lashes in the style Dior. So I like this lip. I like it. Anyways, you guys, so that brings us to the end of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new today. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to join the vibes. Bye, guys.